Welcome to Avengers Campus, Hawkeye. We're glad you finally arrived.
Hey, Friday. Thanks for the welcome wagon. Very festive. What? Stark pretty poppin' himself, huh?
Dialing Mr. Stark.
Oh, well, that's not necessary.
What is it, Friday? Little busy here.
I have Hawkeye on call 1.
Clint, sorry we're not all there to welcome you. We're into a little situation, but we'll be there shortly. Make yourself at home. Have some eggnog, giant pretzel, whatever you want. It's on me.
Well, when you put it that way.
Intrusion alarm. Level 2 and 3. Unknown entities.
Hey, Hawk! Guy.
Sup, bro?
Hey, bro. Bro.
Looks like the Mensa meeting is starting.
Yeah, you're gonna be Mensa meeting these faces. What?
Just gag him. Don't worry. I've got this.
Holiday playlist initiated. Season's greetings.
Guys, can we wrap this up? I can't do this all day. But I can. Clint, you need some help? The music was a bit much. Just trying to spread some Christmas cheer. You good? I know what I'm doing.
And what exactly are you doing?
Just getting my jingle bell rung over here.
Oh, no. You might want to leave the puns to Scott.
Yeah, sorry. Hey, Friday, fire up the Christmas music again.
Initiating holiday playlist.
You ready?
After you. Well, this looks really bad. Might make the naughty list again this year.
We might have ruined the campus Christmas party.
Bro, I think we did, bro.